Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Desk First VA's first ever online job fair. I'm Jam, okay, and I am the sourcing manager of Desk First VA, no, and I am very excited and such an honor, no, for me to be able to introduce who Desk First VA is to everyone. So later on we're going to do a Q&A session. So should you have any question, please park it first because you might come across the answer along the way because we got you guys covered through this presentation. Now, all right, what is the goal of Desk First VA? So let me go through this right now. It's important for you guys to know the goal of Desk First VA. All right. So if you guys don't know, Desk First VA started as Desk First. Okay. Desk First is a startup tech company. Okay, that actually provides the best, no, the best collaboration platform. Okay, a very easy platform for clients and for their talents. Okay, it started as just a simple collaboration platform that a lot of clients are now using. No, so ito yung itsura. This is how the platform looks like. Ganito itsura, no? It's a collaboration cloud-based platform. Pretty much anything that you want to do, it's already there, no? So if you have a client in the future, you guys will be using this with the client because the VA services comes with the tool already, no? Our goal, okay, is to have the best virtual assistants on the best collaboration platforms. Again, our goal is to have the best virtual assistants on the best collaboration platform. What does that mean? Okay, part of our new service starting next week or very soon, no, is what? To offer not just the platform, but it would include the best talents or virtual assistants from the Philippines. Okay? Who among you believes na nasa Pilipinas ang best virtual assistants in the world? Comment I believe. Ayan. Comment I believe if you believe that the best virtual assistants are here in the Philippines because that is the new feature that Desk First will offer to their clients, which is not just the best collaboration platform, but the best virtual assistants at the same time. So starting very soon, we will be opening new job openings for you guys under Desk First VA, no? And will be paired and matched with clients. No? Ang dami I believe. I believe. Yes. So, 'di ba? That is the new feature that will be launched next week, no? Which is Desk First VA. That's how Desk First VA was born. Ayan. So, from a simple, amazing, no, collaboration platform or tool, now offering it with amazing or the best VAs for their clients, and these clients are from the US and all over the world. All right, so let's talk about the founder. Who is the founder of Desk First VA? All right, the name of this amazing founder is Omer Gold. Okay, he's the founder and CEO of Desk First and Desk First VA. He is from Israel, right? And he's an amazing person. Very, kumbaga, ang puso niya ay nasa ating mga Pinoy. All right? And he knows Tagalog. He understands and he speaks a little bit of Tagalog. When I first spoke to him, tinagalog niya ako ng very late and I was like, what? Ganon. So, marunong siya ng konting Tagalog. So, if you get to meet him, he's a very nice person. All right? So, who is excited? Comment excited in the chat box. So, once again, our founder is Omer Gold. He's the CEO and founder of Desk First VA. Alright? Ito na ang favorite nyo, guys. What are the benefits, okay, of Desk First VA? Magugulat kayo. Okay, pag nalaman nyo ang benefits ni Desk First VA. The benefits, letter V. The benefits are the following. First is an hourly rate that doesn't go below $5 an hour. It depends on your what? Skills and experience. It doesn't go below $5 an hour. So minimum ang $5 an hour. Second, yes, tama ang nababasa nyo. 13th month pay, which is konti pa lang ang nagbibigay nito, guys. 13th month pay. Next is paid time off. Alright, itong paid time off, pag nabuo mo yung taon, you get 12 paid time off. It's a paid leave. Okay, you get that once a month. May one paid time off ka a month na pwede mong gamitin, no? Within the year. And lastly, HMO or healthcare benefit. After your 6 month, you will be enrolled for a healthcare benefit. So ito, yung apat na, what do you call this? These are the four main benefits of Desk First VAs, no? And one more thing that I want to let you guys know is that here in Desk First VA guys, wala kaming time tracker. Wala kaming time tracker dito, no? Everything is based on productivity, no? Everything is based on productivity. Ano dito ang favorite yung benefit? Comment below kung ano dito ang favorite benefit nyo. But these are the company benefits of Desk First VA. Now, very quickly, guys, I want to discuss to everyone the very, very easy and short recruitment process of Desk First VA. Grabe naman, di lahat yun, ano, te? Lahat na lang kukunin nyo? Isa lang. Charis, stick to one. Char, ayan. The process, what is the recruitment process? I'm sure you guys are very, very, what do you call this? Are very, very curious about it. It's very, very simple, guys. It's 4 easy steps. First is you will go through the application form. Okay, no? And once you submit that application form, and yes, we have an intro video. So if you're not interested with an intro video, no, then this is not for you. Okay, but we do have an intro video. Konting tease lang, guys. No? Konting tease lang yan para yan sa ating benefits. Okay? First is you go to the application form, no? Hi, John Paul. First is the application form. Once you're done with that, you'll be part of the talent pool of, of Desk First VA, no? Once you're part of the talent pool, hindi, it doesn't mean that you're hired already, no? And it doesn't guarantee matching, no? But you will start rotating your profile. Once na may great match sa client, and then you'll go through number 2, interview sessions. Dalawang interview sessions, guys. One initial and one client interview. Okay, from there, once pag pumasa ka sa client interview, then you'll go through a paid evaluation just to make sure na whatever you placed in your profile are true and to give that assurance sa client that you are the best fit for them. And once okay na si client sa'yo, then you're already part of Desk First VA, no? You will go through the Desk First VA onboarding. So, easy 4 steps lang, guys, ang recruitment process namin. Hindi komplikado, no? Hindi komplikado. Alright? Sino ang hinahanap namin? Who are the talents that we're looking for? Very, very easy and very, very madami. As of now, no, once we launch this sa ating clients, guys, automatic, hihingi sila ng help, no? Magkakaroon na tayo ng mga job opportunities, no? And right now, we want you guys to be part of the pool already para pag nag-launch na kami sa clients, once we launch, and once we have job openings, it's easier for us to match you right away with that client because currently Desk First has lots of clients, thousands of clients. So I'm sure there's room for you guys. So ang hinahanap namin ay, of course, social media managers, customer support, EAs, graphic designer, email marketing, admin assistant, data entry specialist, video editor, sales representative, project coordinator, bookkeeping assistant, PPC manager, SEO specialist, HR assistant, and many more. Anything under the sun, no? Na I want clients, me too. Actually, anything, baka magka-e-commerce, no? Baka magka-e-commerce. So guys, get ready because lahat, I will send you two links right now. It's the application form and the link to our FB community. You need to join that. Why? Because, okay, because doon namin ipopost lahat ng job openings. So here, I sent you the link sa page. So go ahead and copy and save the link first. Okay? Copy and save the link first. Okay? Para later on, after this, no, you may start applying. And please make that introduction video very nice, no? Make that introduction video very nice. Again, if you don't want intro videos, then maybe Desk First V is not for you. We understand. Ayan, 'di ba? So ayan, these are the team members that we are looking for. Okay? To be matched in the future openings. So go ahead and save that link. I will drop this in the description box too. So if you've saved that link, comment saved. Okay, if you've saved that link, comment saved. Let's move forward kasi may nagtanong na about the qualifications. All right. What are the qualifications of Desk First VA? Hi, if you're ready for this, let's move forward. No, konti na lang to guys, no? Four basic qualifications. Okay. 1 year of and I quote, no, skill-based experience. It's not VA experience, no. It's skill-based experience. So kung wala kang VA experience, okay lang, no? As long as yung specific skill na hinahanap ni client ay meron ka ng experience dito. Again, we are looking for entry-level VAs, but provided that the skills they enhance the client, you got it already. You're good at that specific skill or tool. Clear? No? Again, we're not requiring 1 year of VA experience. We are requiring 1 year of skill-based experience. So career shifters check. Okay, career shifters check. English proficiency level of C1 or C2. So you will go through this English assessment test that will give you your specific English proficiency level. Hindi niyo siya pwedeng dayain guys kasi malalaman namin sa intro video kung totoo ba na C1 or C2 kayo. Alright, so malalaman din namin kung chinat GPT nyo. Malalaman namin. Alright, magaling ang ating recruitment na si Cristel. Alright, makikilala niyo siya in the future. No, C1 or C2 English proficiency level, you must be knowledgeable on the specific tools, okay, na hinahanap ni client. Okay, kung go high level, kailangan ginagamit mo na itong go high level na to. Okay, and lastly, you should have basic work from home tools. Okay, when I say basic work from home tools, I'm saying computer, laptop, kahit isa lang, no? As long as it's working, go for it, no? May webcam ka, of course. Kailangan ng webcam. And of course, a reliable internet connection. Christina, thank you for resharing that link. Guys, sa mga bago lang, please save that link for later. Don't forget to like, follow, and share this, guys. No? I'm not looking for people, we're not looking for people who are very, very fluent with English, but conversational based on the C1 or C2 English proficiency level category. Alright, you will know naman, no? Next, so if that's you, no, if that's you guys, then we are inviting you to join Desk First VA now, no? We're inviting you to be in that talent pool already. So once we launch this, guys, once we launch this, you will immediately get paired with clients. Mas mabilis siya na proseso. So over the weekend, no, go through the application form, okay, and make sure that this, ang tip ko lang guys ha, kung may ititip ako sa inyo, make that introduction video bongga. Okay? Kung sino dito mga taga Barangay VA? Okay, sino dito mga taga Barangay VA? Comment me if Barangay VA ka. I have a guide sa Zero to VA Challenge kung paano gumawa ng effective na introduction video. Go through that. Pero kasi dito, they're using Loom. So the content is 10 to 10, 80, 10. 10% introduction kung sino ka, 80% your hard skill talents. Your hard skills, I mean, wala dito dapat yung mga, I have good interpersonal skills, I'm easy to get along with. Wala dito dapat yung um I am a very flexible person, easy to adopt and willing to learn. I don't want to hear that in your video. I want to hear 80% solid skills such as I am very versed, I'm well versed when it comes to go high level. And when it comes to digital marketing, it's my specialty, especially when it comes to video editing and marketing strategies. You have to be specific with the technical skills, guys. Okay? 80% hard skills. Wala akong makikita dyan ng mga introvert, yung mga ano, yung mga soft skills dyan na, oh, I'm good with my keme-keme. I have good interpersonal skills. I don't need to hear that there. And lastly, call to action in the end, 10%. So most, dapat 1 minute lang yan, dapat ma-highlight mo yung skills mo. Dapat masabi mo na ikaw yung hinahanap namin. Okay? Now, it's a long video, so may instructions na doon and make sure that maayos yung lighting and audio nyo and the internet connection nyo. So, guys, please join Desk First VA now. I dropped the link here. Guys, sa mga wala pang link, again, I will send the link here for you guys. No, there is the link for, of course, our community and our application form. Guys, join now. No, over the weekend. No, galingan nyo yung intro video nyo. No, and yeah, we're very very excited to match you guys with a client soon, no, once we launch this, because this is pre-launching, no. And if you have questions right now, now's the perfect time to ask questions in the comment section so we can answer it, no, so we can answer it now. Please drop your questions in the comment section so we can answer it now. Ayan. So this is the perfect time. I feel like I was able to answer the basic questions that you have in your head kasi kilala ko na ang mga mind nyo, no? So, sabi dito, pag naka-receive po ng email, pag naka-receive ng email na nasa talent pool na po ako sa, okay. Guys, this is a different agency. So please don't ask about other agencies nor mention any names of other agencies. Okay? And this agency is different. Hindi po siya partners ng isang agency na binabanggit niya. Okay? Guys, magkaiba po 'yan. Okay, my job is a VA sourcer and these are my clients. Kaya huwag kayong malito. Desk First VA is another VA agency. Okay. As you can see, guys, paid training po ba? Wala po kaming training. No? Wala po kaming training. We don't have training here. Okay. So that's why we're looking for experts when it comes to that specific skill, no, or that tool already. No? Do you accept OFW? This is something that I will park at the moment, no? If ever we do, just in case we do accept OFWs, it's going to be the same rate. Just in case. Okay. Request sent to the group. Yes, after this live, guys, I will accept all your requests. Make sure to answer all questions there. Tawag dito, make sure to answer all the membership questions. Okay? Dito ako sa community mo matututo talaga. Excited. Go for it. Oo. Um, if Loom Video works in through your phone, go for it. But ako, I prefer using a desktop or laptop. Is there an age limit? Wala pong age limit, no? Wala pong age limit. May part-time po ba? Meron po. We do have both part-time and full-time. Yes, and plus we are also, since pag nag-apply kayo kay Desk First VA, guys, you're not an employee, you're an independent contractor, which means you can get clients outside Desk First VA too. Ayan, so yung may mga clients na ngayon, pwedeng-pwede pa rin po. As long as hindi ka pa tumatagot sa pader, walang problema. Ayan, okay? Um, um, Here, nasagot ko rin OFW na part. Wait. Possible po ba mag-hire kayo ng web and funnel designer? Again, anything under the sun, anything na hinahanap ni client, ibibigay namin. No? It depends. Kung yun ang hanap, go for it. No? Um, what else? How long po the matching once you're done the application? It depends. Number one, if you're the best match for the client. Number two, it really depends on the needs of the client talaga. No? At kung hindi rin maayos ang intro video mo at nag-shine yung iba, ay medyo matatagalan ka talaga. So make sure that your intro video is pangmalakasan, guys. I am working as team lead in BPO company. Do you have positions for part-timers? Absolutely, Neo. Yeah. Okay. Are we posting in the group the available positions? Yes. So might as well join the RFP group, John. I linked it earlier, and because that's where we will post all the job openings, guys. So go for it. Um, Need bang may experience na? I mentioned this earlier. It's more of skill-based and tools experience. Okay, not VA experience. Skill-based and tool experience, and of course C1 or C2 level of English, because you're gonna have US clients and international clients, and English is the main language. Okay. Is there a group interview po for other VAs or one-on-one? One-on-one po siya. Okay. Pagdating po sa skills, okay lang po ba? Ang di masyadong specialist like data entry specialist, pero ang year na ang experience. Really depends on the needs of the client, pero pasok. Okay. I'm a semi-start and been on and off of freelance GVA roles. What is the best way to have an intro for myself? As an experienced general virtual assistant, and you mentioned specifically the tasks that you do and the tools that you use. Tumagos sa pader. Yes. Ano pa ba? 1 minute intro video lang po, guys. Ikaw po ba ilalagay ko? Kung gusto niyo po, why not? Why not? Sorry, may tumatawag, guys. Ayan. Okay. Did I answer your questions? Ano pa ba? Meron pa bang questions, guys? Ah, wag mo muna pansinin yung job code, guys, kasi may job code sa form. Ang ilagay mo na lang doon is yung specific role na gusto mo apply. Kunwari, social media manager, ganyan. That's what you add there. Okay? Chris, focus on one. Just one. Kami rin naman mag-a-assess. Okay? Kami naman mag-a-assess. Focus on one role na magaling ka na. Okay? Na alam mo na. What else? How much ang starting rate po? It will never go below $5 an hour. That's our promise. Okay? Again, no age limit. Again, when it comes to job availabilities, guys, it depends on need. So, baka magka-e-commerce in the future, not just a Amazon PPC. Okay? Let me just remind you that availing a course and going through a course, if you do not, you know, if you do not execute it, it's just knowledge, it's not a skill. Okay, skill means you've been executing that knowledge for for quite some time already. So without execution, knowledge without execution is nothing. It's just knowledge. We need someone who are really, plug and play na nakaya ng gawin kasi yung mga knowledge na nakuha niya sa training before ay na-execute na niya. Ginagawa niya talaga. Again, clients, no, time zones is based on, of course, the time zone of the client, of the business. So you will have to adjust to that. Okay. All right. All right. Okay, okay, okay. No, guys, no. I said Loom Video. It's Loom Video. It's there. Do not recycle. Okay, if you're not into introduction videos, then maybe Desquare's VA is not for you at this time. Okay? So again, follow instructions. Do not give me recycled videos. Okay? Loom video. Okay? All right. If that's it, guys, thank you so much for listening to this online job fair. No, we are very excited to match you guys with a client and to, to see you guys as part of the Desquares VA community. This recording will be posted. No, don't worry about it. Maraming salamat and good luck on your application. Have a great weekend, everybody. Maraming salamat po.